Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. And today, it's a continuation of the craft room tour series, and this time I'm going to show you how I organize all my packaging materials. Yes. So every time I send happy mail, I have to have a station where I can go and grab my tissue paper, curly bows, my USPS envelopes or any manila envelope, or if I have to use my crepe paper for packaging or for anything else. So that's what we're going to see. We are going to see these calyx unit from IKEA, and you can see that it has 2 cubes. And on the bottom, I screwed up and I messed and I broke one of the compartments, so it's like a very long empty space. So let's take a look at the first cube. This one, I have a little basket and it's very easy. I have all my crinkled paper, curly bows, more packaging bows from a Dollar Tree, more little ribbon here and there, more curly bows from Dollar Tree. So every time I need packaging materials, like for gifts, not only Happy Mail, but even for gifts to friends or family, this is where I go. Then the next compartment, I'm gonna go down here. It's where I have tissue paper and partially some manila folders and bubble wrap. So this is where I have more crinkled paper here and more, and these are all my tissue paper that I have bought, showing some of my hauls. And it's very easy to find things, so I want to grab. And this one is the Halloween one that I got, I believe at Walmart. And here are the tiny little manila envelopes, bubble wrap. I have more packaging material. So it's very easy. I just grab this basket, put it on top, and start figuring out what I need. Then I put it back so it's less messy, right? And then the bottom, I have this big basket where I keep my medium-sized flat rate envelopes from USPS, some bubble manila folders, bigger ones. I got some baggies, unicorn, and more unicorn baggies, mermaid baggies, and more baggies, and more shopping little nice bags that I had bought to either do Happy Mail or to package to friends and family. And then this other one, it's where I keep all my crepe paper. As you can see, I don't have that much crepe paper rolls, and got some of the googly eyes in case that I want to just to stick some of my googly eyes in packaging. I got more of crepe paper loose. Got my Maggie Holmes premium ribbon, some of the clothespins, and I got my feathers and Velcro, more Velcro, and I've been keeping these plastic containers. Normally washi tapes are stored in these containers, so because I can repurpose them and use them to store any other things like mini embellishments or confetti or sequences. So I have them here. And then we go on top again. And here's the top, so it's easy. I just grab whatever I need, take the pieces, and I do my packaging here. Here is one of the, one of the flip books that I finished, one of the projects, and anything that I have to package, like in big boxes, I have it on the other side of the room because I don't want this area to get cluttered. Okay, so now you are wondering, where do I store the boxes? I have a special place for everything. So, ooh, making noise here. So my USPS boxes, I have them behind the cabinets. Yes, I have all the small, medium sized and large boxes behind the cabinet. So you see that? I'm gonna go down here. You see how I have all the other boxes here showing, so if I need them, I just grab them from behind. Okay, so let's take a look again at the station. This is the station, the IKEA Kallax station. Look at more that way. And this is it. So if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up. Share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.